Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper published 2 days ago on July 30th, 2026, and currently trending on X, delivers a massive jump in video and image generation efficiency. The paper is titled Chimera, Designing and Chinchilla Scaling Hybrid Visual Diffusion Transformers. The authors demonstrate a 7.3 times pre-training compute efficiency gain over full attention baselines by combining a hybrid attention backbone with principled scaling laws. Figure 1 provides a complete overview of Chimera, splitting its system into model design and scaling methodology. The hybrid architecture on the left pairs modality-aware short convolutions with linear and global attention mechanisms. The scaling pipeline on the right uses hyperparameter transfer to fit precise scaling laws. Across the bottom plots, these unified components deliver significant gains in compute efficiency, lower GPU memory usage, and create a highly predictable loss frontier. Figure 2 details the internal layout of the single-stream Chimera architecture. On the left, text and visual tokens pass through alternating blocks of linear and global attention paired with sparse mixture of experts layers. In the center, linear attention incorporates modality-aware short convolutions to capture local context before tracking sequences. In the right panels, top K routing distributes tokens across 56 experts, while identity hyperconnections wrap each sublayer to keep signal propagation stable. While Figure 2 detailed the architecture, Table 1 outlines the exact transfer rules of hetero-P compared to standard parameterization. Unlike standard parameterization, hetero-P scales initialization variance, learning rates, and weight decay based on width and depth multipliers, so hyperparameter settings stay stable across model sizes. Specifically, hidden weights and residual connections receive inverse scaling factors, which keeps gradients properly balanced as the network expands. Those transfer rules clear the way for systematic scaling. Figure 8 establishes the compute optimal scaling laws for image pre-training across both envelope and isoflop analyses. In the top row, Panel A traces training loss against cumulative floating point operations across model sizes, while panels B and C show that optimal model size and visual token count scale almost equally with exponents near 0.5. The bottom row confirms this through fixed compute profiles, demonstrating a balanced split between model capacity and training data. While Figure 8 established optimal scaling frontiers, Figure 12 evaluates pre-training compute efficiency under strictly matched training conditions across 2 billion parameter models. The plot traces training loss against cumulative floating point operations for WAN 2.1, Z-image, and 2 Chimera variants. At a target loss of 0.149, the dense Chimera backbone achieves a 1.7 times efficiency gain over WAN 2.1 without relying on sparse capacity. Adding mixture of experts, identity hyperconnections, and hetero-P boosts this efficiency to 7.3 times, which proves how architectural innovations and parameterization synergize during pre-training. Beyond pre-training efficiency, Figure 18 evaluates peak GPU memory and forward latency as sequence length scales up to 255,000 tokens. The blue memory curves show that standard multi-head attention reaches an out-of-memory limit at 152,000 tokens, whereas the hybrid Kimi delta attention backbone extends usable context by 1.68 times. Meanwhile, the orange latency curves reveal a 2.14 times speedup at peak context, which makes processing massive video sequences far more practical. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Pairing hybrid attention with module-wise scaling yields a 7.3 times compute efficiency boost while expanding context zero-shot. This provides a predictable blueprint for future visual models. That wraps up this look at visual diffusion transformers. I'm Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.